up, guys? Davin here, and welcome to a Nerf gun video where I'm going to shoot every single Nerf gun that I have. Before I did this video, I tried to do a first one, but I couldn't get the freaking camera to be there. If it falls, I'm just going to end it and redo it. But right now, I have a good camera angle. Remember, I don't have any actual camera, so my outside's going to have to do just sitting on my blanket in my bed. Hey. So first off, we'll start off with the pistols. Some of them are from Nerf, some of them aren't. We have this gun right here, fully loaded. Very cool weapon. Then we have a different one, except a blue version. Now what else? Some of these guns don't work. We have this gun, not a Nerf gun. Still awesome. We have this pistol. Oh, okay, that bullet fell out. Hold on. We have this pistol, awesome. The Nerf Elite. I don't know what the name is. Tell me in the comments below. Pretty cool gun. Oh wait, no. Then we have the Nerf Ralph Lex 1X1. This gun. Awesome. One-shot pistol. Bam! We have the Mega Magnus. Mega Magnus, right there. I have 2 bullets rounded in right now. Pretty awesome gun, guys. Now we have this gun. It's not a Nerf gun. This is a sucky gun. It's really powerful too. It doesn't hurt that much though. Oh yeah, I forgot about this little guy, the Nerf Zombie Strike pistol. Ah, frick. Don't tell me you're gonna be stupid. Alright, there you go. Alright, moving on to some of the big guns. We're half done the guns already. We have another gun, not from Nerf, people. We have a lot of non-Nerf guns here. Okay, let's shoot it. This is seriously knock off. Frick? How the frick are you not firing? The jammed? Try a different bullet. Hold on. Sorry guys, I wasn't expecting this to happen. Yeah guys, sorry, but this gun doesn't want to work. Alright, but we have this gun. It's a brother. Except it's a sniper. And this should work. Yeah, it sucked, but it worked. Oh yeah, freaking gun. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it's broken. It doesn't want to shoot. Anyways, we have this. Finally, one of our Nerf guns. This. Come on. Come on, guys. I want to see this gun fire more once. So, yeah. Yeah, guys. That's really it for all my Nerf guns. Thanks for watching, and peace